I just like how I say it. Fuck how it's supposed to say it. So that's why I go by my rules.
Y'all see what I gotta deal with?
She want me to talk proper as shit.
I don't want you to talk proper. I just don't want you to be illiterate and you know better.
That's not illiterate, bro. That's just me saying how I want to say it.
YouTube family, we're gonna watch the last Instagram video together that PNB Rock had with his girl, and they were arguing just moments before he gets killed. This is the last one. This is like a couple of hours right before he gets killed, you know what I mean? And it's kind of creepy as well. I want to give credit to Hood Zone Productions. Salute to you, much love to you and your platform and your channel. But we're gonna have to look and digest into this. I want y'all to do me a favor and smash that like button, hit the notification bell, and thank you for rocking for the I Smoke Hip Hop Live platform. Let's watch this video.
Y'all hear this? She thinks just because I see how I want to see it, I'm wrong.
I'm trying to correct you. You don't want to be corrected. You're not somebody who don't want to be corrected.
It ain't got nothing to do with that. It's I know what it has. You told me that already. You told me how I say it. I'm still saying it how I want to see it.
Just say you don't like to be corrected.
No, I just like how I say it. Fuck how it's supposed to say it. So that's why I go by my rules.
Y'all see what I got to deal with?
She want me to talk proper as shit.
I don't want you to talk proper. I just don't want you to be illiterate and you know better.
That's not illiterate, bro. That's just me saying how I want to say it. Y'all see what I gotta deal with? She's like Hitler.
I'm not Hitler. I'm trying to teach you the right way to say something. If I'm saying something incorrectly, correct me.
I did. I mean, you corrected me already. She corrected me already, guys. And I still gonna see it how I want to see it. We in Cabos. we in Los Cabos with this shit. You know, I got to get high wherever the fuck I'm at. Los Cabos. So how y'all say it? Illinois with an S at the end or Illinois without the S? How y'all say it? For the churches. Cabos, yes sir, ski. I ain't going nowhere without it. Talking about no S. You ain't from the trenches, bro. See you. The way you say it, but she's...
You guys, do me a favor. The video is not over with. I need you guys to go smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and support this video by liking it. Also, hit the subscribe button right now. Subscribe to the video, comment on the video. Let's get back.
Still trying to help you. I took the help. I keep thinking I ain't understand it. Twizzler. This shit is a little dangerous on the drive till this shit goes to shit to the edge of it. You fuck with me. Dunnies. For that shit right there. This shit suck. You can't even tap. Make that shit clear. Told me that already. Told me how I say it. I'm still saying it how I want to say it.
Just say you don't like to be corrected.
No, I just like how I say it. Fuck how it's supposed to say it. So that's why I go by my rules.
Y'all see what I got to deal with?
She want me to talk proper as shit.
I don't want you to talk proper. I just don't want you to be illiterate. illiterate. You know better.
That's not illiterate, bro. That's just me saying it how I want to say it.
Right,
Y'all see what I gotta deal with? She like Hitler in this moment.
not Hitler. I'm trying to teach you the right way to say something. If I'm saying something incorrectly, correct me.
I did. I mean, you corrected me already. She corrected me already, guys. And I still want to see it how I want to see it. We in Cabos. we in Los Cabos with this shit. You know, I got to get high wherever the fuck I'm at. Los Cabos. So how y'all say it? Illinois with an S at the end or Illinois without the S? How y'all say it? For the trenches. Cabos, yes, Sirski. I don't go nowhere without it. You talking about no S. You ain't from the trenches, bro. See ya. The way you say it, but she's still trying to help you. I took the help, but I keep thinking I ain't understand it. Whistler. This shit is a little dangerous to drive to. This shit close as shit to the edge of her. You fuck around me. Dunnies. For that shit right there. This shit suck. You can't even tap. Make that shit clear.
Man, tell me how y'all feel about this situation. The whole thing is just spooky, iffy, and I don't know why I just get negative energy coming from his girlfriend. Y'all know what I mean? Her whole vibe is just throwing me off. I need y'all to let me know am I'm twisted right now, but it's like, sheesh, who need friends when enemies are right next to you and they're your loved ones? You know what I mean? God damn, this is crazy. But rest easy to PNB Rock. It's an unfortunate situation. Salute the Hood Zone Productions. Man, I'm just looking at this whole thing from, I can't be shocked anymore. I can't be surprised anymore. It's a culture of madness. And unfortunately, I don't see no change no time soon. You know what I mean? No change, no time soon. Y'all stay blessed. Stay easy. Salute.